The Hobbs Turbo Lite Ultra cordless handheld vacuum cleaner makes cleaning from room to room simple and effortless, with no limitation on distance. The 4-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner has a multi-cyclonic system which ensures no loss of suction. Its light and compact design makes it ideal for cleaning the car and stairs, as well as those hard-to-reach places. The effective assortment of accessories help to give your home a deeper clean. The Turbo Lite Ultra has a powerful 22.2-volt lithium battery, providing up to 25 minutes of cleaning time, making it ideal for an everyday clean throughout your home. The bagless 0.5-litre dust tank is easy to empty, and the washable HEPA filter helps to trap particles and eliminate harmful bacteria, providing a cleaner home environment. So for thorough cleaning without limitations, try the Hobbs Turbo Lite Ultra.